Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful sweater in all these amazing colors. This is a very easy sweater. You can do it only by following this tutorial, but if you prefer to follow a written pattern, I will of course leave a link for that down below. In the tutorial today, I will show you in a size medium. The written pattern below will also include other sizes as well. This sweater is also a great way to use up scrap yarn. But let's begin. First, I want to talk a little about the materials for the yarn. I have used this mega ball from Hobbii. Uh, this one looks like this, and it says mega ball. I have used a few different kinds because I'm using up my scraps. This one belongs to these thinner ones, and you can see the info right here on these. This is a lightweight 3. And these lightweight 3s I'm putting double when I'm crocheting. The other one, this one, this is the same yarn, but after this mega ball, it says Aran down here, and that means it's a little bit thicker. So this is a lightweight 3, but this is a medium weight 4, and I'm only using single-stranded when I'm crocheting with this. So single-stranded with the Aran in medium weight 4, and double-stranded when I'm crocheting in a lightweight 3. And this is what I have used for the sweater. Then I've also used a yellow one and a petroleum one. And these ones I have actually used up some other scrap yarn, I don't know what it is. I've had it for some years, but I think you can find the same colors in this mega ball as well if you want the same colors. They have this in a lot of colors. So you can probably find that, but light yellow and petroleum as well. So 5 colors in total, and you will just shift in this order again and again. So pink, light green, petroleum, yellow, and light pink, and so forth. This is the sleeve. Okay. Other than the yarn, I've used a 6mm crochet hook, some scissors, and finally a tapestry needle to weave in the ends and sew it up in the end. First, we begin with a slip knot. Make a loop with your yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, grab it from the middle, and pull. Then we chain 59, so you yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 59 times in total. When you have 59 chains, we will now begin working into the chains, and you will skip the first 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the 5th one, you will do a double triple crochet. So you yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then you insert the hook in the 5th chain, and then you finish the stitch. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, and yarn over, pull through, 2. Now you find the next chain at the bottom, this one down here, and do a double triple crochet into this. So yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook in the next chain, and finish the stitch. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2, and yarn over, pull through, 2. And then you continue, find your next chain right at the bottom, yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook in the next chain, and finish the stitch. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, through 2, through 2, and through 2. And that's how you just continue all the way across with 1 double triple crochet in each stitch. So remember, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook in the next chain right at the bottom, and finish the stitch. And continue all the way across. And when I'm all the way across, I want to switch to a new color. So right before the final stitch, I will find my new color and have it ready. Because we will begin with the old color, so the pink one. We will yarn over 3 times. Then insert the hook and begin finishing the stitch. So yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And when you only have 2 loops left to go, you will drop this color yarn and find the new color, which will be the green one for me. So I will work in double yarn with this color because it's a little bit thinner. And yeah, I will yarn over with the new color and pull through to finish the stitch. And then I chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I turn the whole thing and begin working the other way. So I will keep working with double, triple crochet, and this pink one will be my first stitch. So I yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then I insert the hook, this first pink stitch, and finish the stitch. And then I will work the next stitch, totally regular double, triple crochet. So yarn over 3 times, find your next stitch down here at the bottom, and finish the stitch. 1 double, triple crochet in each stitch all the way across. And when you make it all the way across, you will again change to the next color, which will be a dark green or petroleum color for me, but you can work all the colors you like. So just work your way back and forth with double, triple crochet and change the colors just like I showed you down here. Stop. Then you keep crocheting back and forth until you have 17 rows in total. Then you cut the yarn and weave in your end. Now repeat the whole process from the start, so you will have 2 panels looking like this. So you now have the front panel and the back panel exactly identical. And then you have all these ends on the side from where you change the colors. You can either weave in all ends, or you can just use these ends to sew the sweater together at the end. I'm using these ends to sew it together, so I'm using exactly the same color on each part. It takes a lot of time, but it gets the best result. If you just use a white color, then it will be a little bit visible. I'm using the ends, so it's totally invisible. Then you'll crochet the sleeves, and you begin the sleeves exactly the same way as you did with the front panel and the back panel. You will just only be chaining up 49. So chain 49 and then start exactly the same way by skipping 4 chains and then do a double, triple crochet in the next. Then you crochet back and forth the same way, just for 15 rows in total. Then you'll have a panel like this, and then you cut the yarn, weave in the end, and crochet another sleeve just like it. So you will have these 2 sleeves. So now you have your 4 panels. You have your front and your back panel, and then you have the 2 identical sleeves. Then you put them down flat on a table like this. And then you see on this next picture how I sew them together. I will make a seam. I did make a seam over here on the sleeves to attach the sleeves to the body, and over here. And then I sew on top of the shoulders just up by the neck. But remember to leave a gap for the neck in the middle. So the gap will be just above 1/3 of the space. So sew it all together. And then on this next picture, I will show you that you will just fold it down like this. And then you will sew from the cuff all the way to the armpit, and then from there all the way down to the hip. And then again from the next cuff all the way into the armpit, and again down to the hip. Then you weave in all the annoying ends you have with this sweater, and you are done. And then you turn it all around, and then you have this amazing sweater in all these beautiful colors we really need right now. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!